Oh my God! Understanding this popular English phrase. Hello everyone! Today we're going to explore a phrase that you've likely heard often in English conversations, movies, and TV shows. Oh my God! We'll look at what it means, when people use it, and some alternatives you can use in different situations. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about English expressions, this video will help you understand this phrase's significance. So, let's dive in. The phrase, "Oh my God," is an exclamation that is used to express a wide range of emotions, such as surprise, shock, amazement, distress, or even excitement. It's a way for someone to express a strong feeling in the moment. Even though the phrase includes the word God, it's not always used in a religious context in everyday language. People say, "Oh my God," in various situations. Let's look at some common scenarios. When they are surprised, like if a friend shows up at a party unexpectedly. When they are scared or in shock, for example, if they hear a loud noise suddenly. When they are excited, if they receive great news, like winning a prize. When they are upset or in distress, upon hearing bad news or experiencing a sudden upset. However, it's important to note that some people may find the casual use of this phrase offensive because it includes the word God. It's always good to be mindful of the setting and the people you're with when using phrases that can have religious connotations. If you're looking for a non-religious or less emphatic way to express the same feelings, here are a few alternatives. Oh my gosh! A common alternative that avoids religious references. Wow! Great for expressing amazement or excitement. Oh no! Suitable when reacting to bad news or unpleasant surprises. Yikes! Used when something is shocking or mildly scary. Whoa! Another way to express surprise or being impressed. Each of these can be used in much the same way as, "Oh my God," but can help you avoid any potential discomfort or misunderstandings. While "Oh my God" is widely recognized and used, its appropriateness can vary depending on cultural and religious contexts. In some English-speaking countries, this phrase is completely benign and heavily used in casual speech. However, in more conservative or religious areas, using the Lord's name in vain, a commandment in the Bible for Christians, can be seen as disrespectful. It's a good idea to understand the cultural context of where you are and who you're speaking to when using phrases like this. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of the phrase, "Oh my God," and how to use it correctly. Remember, language is not just about words but also about understanding emotions and cultural nuances. By using the alternatives provided, you can express yourself freely and respectfully in any situation. Don't forget to practice these expressions to become more fluent and comfortable in English. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. End of video content.